Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have come on to show you the bag that I used yesterday and today. This is the Kate Spade Trista Shopper. It is on their outlet page right now. I think I paid $99 US for this bag. Just a beautiful short strap bag. You can wear it on your arm, carry it in your hand. It does also come with a beautiful crossbody strap that is quite long. Lots of room for adjustment on this bag, but I did not adjust the strap at all, and it's more than roomy for me. Easily detachable with the metal clips right here. If you are interested in purchasing this bag, the item number is WKR 00635. It is a all leather navy bag. Let's take a look and see what I have inside. So again, keep in mind these straps are fairly stiff. They do not collapse. They do not bend down in any way. So you will have to get around that when you get into your bag. So keep that in mind. And again, this is what cinches the bag closed to close your bag. So if you can see if I can move that around. So the bag is quite roomy inside. It does come with a side interior pocket as well as a zippered pocket on this side as well. So I'm going to hold this with my hand that I'm taping with, so I apologize. It will be a little bit up close, but it's the only way that I can maneuver these stiff straps. So let's take a look and see what I have inside. The back pocket here, I have a phone cord. I also have with me the Kate Spade card. That's what I have in the back pocket. I also have my phone charger, pack of Kleenex, as well as my Body Shop coconut cream hand cream. I have a notebook with me as well. I have my puppy bags. My sunglasses. The wallet I chose to use with this bag is a Roots medium flap in gray with silver metal. Beautifully stamped with the Roots logo right here. It does offer card slots at the back on both sides, and it has a slot at the top for receipts or for bills. So that is the one that I chose to use with this bag. After looking at this bag, I noticed I did not have a navy wallet, but I think the gray complements it quite nicely. So that's the wallet that I chose for that. The makeup bag I chose to use is in Ipsy. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, it is a monthly subscription that comes with full-size and travel-size pieces every month. In here I have a hair clip, my Soft Lips Coconut Lip Balm, a shout wipe, nail file, powder, Sephora mirror, Moroccan Magic Lip Balm in coconut as well. My Sage Quick Study. My go-to mascara every day. Tweezers. This is my Sage Peppermint Halo. Lip liner. Eyeliner. Makeup brush. Eyeliner. Cuticle pusher. Eyebrow pencil. That's it for that. Again, it's the Ipsy Kit. They come with a stylish cosmetic bag every month. So I've just flipped the bag around so you can see the pocket on the other side. And here I have my case with my kids' health card. So if I have to bring my children to the emergency room or if I have to bring them to the clinic, I just take this with me. I don't bring in a regular bag. A mirror. A hand sanitizer. My Ultimate Drink Mix. As well, I have my Scentbird. Scentbird is a Scent of the Month club that comes to you every month. And it comes with these reusable cases. Comes with a 30-day supply of perfume. This one is Love Me. And you can interchange cases. Slips back in, push it down, and your perfume is protected. That with me as well. And that's what I have in the bag. When you're done and you wish to store it, you can just tuck everything inside. And that's it for the Kate Spade shopper right here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the like and subscribe button as well. Should you wish to be notified if I upload another video, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you soon.